Everyone's favourite, Tesla. So this is the daily chart for Tesla. It's looking quite interesting here. So you've got your resistance here. Just peeked through it, tested it a few times, came through, rode the 50-day moving average before moving higher. And I've said this a few times. You want to see a test of the 50 and a retest of the 50 and another test of the 50, and this is your bullish sign. This is your bullish signal. Now, however, we've had this really strong rally up, which has clearly formed a top, and actually just on today we've gapped lower. It's a green candle so far, but yeah, we gapped lower. Where this is going to lead on the next open, we'll find out. I suspect things are going to be getting a bit lower, and we are going to be looking at least retesting that 50. You're probably going to have a bit of support here as well, actually, because that looks like it might be a bit of a support resistance line where the 50-day is. So at least for an initial move, now if I'm trading Tesla, I'm going to be looking for it to go a bit lower, particularly if I'm holding for a number of days or so. Once we get to this 50, well, it depends. If we can hold the 50 and go higher, yep, potentially bullish Tesla. But no, a move lower than that, and it's a bit more game over. Just to zoom out onto the weekly, and have a bit more of a longer term view. Oh, I love this chart. Yeah, stocks only go up by obviously. Right. Yeah, considerably above the moving averages. Now is definitely going to be one of those periods where we're going to be thinking about, okay, maybe things are gonna sell off. You can see, obviously, everybody thought that there, back there. That's when Elon Musk, was it here, February, January time, somewhere in this level is when Elon Musk said that his shares were overvalued. I mean, he was right, but there we are. Blow off top. I think this is probably fair to say this is your blow off top. This is your absolutely ridiculous valuation for a company. It's not. I mean, Tesla's a great company, and I believe in Elon Musk, but it's not worth $843 a share. So yeah, what we're going to be looking at is trying to figure out how Tesla interacts with every other aspect. So we'll be looking at volatility in the markets. We'll be looking at the dollar. It's probably going to be one of the major ones, and basically seeing how they can help you guide where the peak is probably going to be. For now, it's pretty reasonable to assume that this is mainly retail that have been buying Tesla. I don't think there's many institutions that are going to be buying it other than to sell. But now we're going to consider taking profits. We've signed a consolidation zone. If you have rode all the way up here, you'd be wise to set your take profit somewhere around here, and consider the move lower, which is probably about to happen.